Back to another video. Today, use this one. Saying this video. No, that's too big. Tomato. No, don't do that. Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today in this video, we are going to be showing you what's inside an orange roses. Yeah, I'm going to cut it. So you're going to take a knife. This is tomato. You're going to cut the middle. It doesn't really matter where you cut. Just to see what. So that's what's inside. Now let's try see. Oh, no. Let's try cut the chocolate off. Yeah, I'll get another knife. I'll cut the other bite off. Oh my god. What knife will I use? What? Don't use huge ones. I'm not looking for one. That one, no. No, that's huge. That one, no. There we go. We got all the chocolate. I'm gonna. That's disgusting. Don't stab yourself. What if I do? You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Well, I know I'm dead. I don't care. I want to do it. So, this video is a bit short. So, we're going to open another roses. Yeah. And then I'm going to cut that one up. I'll find another thing. Let's do the pink one. It looks wrong. What? No, I was telling them it looks wrong. Chop. Ah, it didn't chop. Okay. Now, I'm not sure they can see it over there, honey. Honeybee. Let's make dinner. And also, in this video, we are cutting open a pink roses. I chopped it all up. We're going to be doing the pink roses, and we're going to be seeing what's inside the pom-pom. Yeah. Which should be cool. So I am going to cut this pink one because Alana, you have to do that one. I'm going to get it. I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to cut what is this? Ew, that's a pom-pom. And we're going to cut in the pom-pom. I'm cutting in the pom-pom. Can I eat this? If you want. Alana, you cut another roses and then I'll cut the pom-pom. No! I'm going to cut the pom-pom. I'm cutting one of them. You can't cut a pom-pom like that, honey. Yeah, I can. In the Lana road, you can. That's in the Lana's road. This is God's way. Okay, guys. That's what's inside a pom-pom. And it kind of starts... A pom-pom. And once you cut it, it just falls apart. So basically, a pom-pom is just a ball of fur. Woo! See, look. See that breaking apart? Yeah. You see it? Bears are made of. Can you put that in a bit? Yeah, I'm just going to be your little son. Thanks. No. Of course I'm not. Oh. I'm going to just cut out. And now just to see what's inside a chewing gum. I do not. The rain thing. This is how she stands. Squat. It's not working. I'm gonna do this one. Move. Oh. Move. Maybe try the scissors. Hey, I know what's inside a chewing gum. It worked for me. This is inside the chewing. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely leave a like. And I'll see you all next time. Stay awesome and love unicorns. Bye.